Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the chapter linear equation in one variable. So first of all, from the name itself, we want to understand what are the meaning of the terms. So first thing is equation. Obviously from your childhood you have learned so many equations. How? It looks like something like this, where a left hand side is there, LHS, a right hand side is there and the equal to sign in between. So if this kind of thing you see, this kind of expression you see, then you can easily say yes, it is an equation. Okay. Now afterwards you have learnt two more things, that is about algebraic expressions, correct? Suppose I am writing ax plus b and also ax square plus bx plus c. So these are all expressions, algebraic expressions, and you have learned that here x is the variable present, a is the coefficient of x, b is constant here. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. So in this way you have learnt it in the algebraic expressions chapter. Now if I write this equal to c and this equal to, suppose I am writing 0, you can write here 0 also, no problem. So here you can see we are getting left hand side, right hand side and the equal to sign. So that means now this is an equation. So how to write an equation? There must be left hand side, right hand side and there must be equality sign. Okay. Similarly, this one also is an equation right now. So there is a minute difference in between algebraic expression and algebraic equation. So always remember that equality sign must be there to get an equation. If there is no equality sign, then this is not an equation. Now come to the part of one variable. So here in this particular examples, you have seen that x is the only variable here. Similarly, if I take, suppose x plus y equal to 0, in this case it is equal to sign is present, RHS, LHS is there, so it is an equation, fine. But two unknown numbers are there, x and y, unknown variables you can say, not numbers exactly. So unknown variables are 2. So that means it is an equation in two variables. Okay, it is an equation in two variables. Clear? Suppose I am writing x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3. Now here you can see x square, x, and these are constants, correct? So that means you can see here it is in one variable. Okay. Similarly, if I write x plus y plus z equal to 2, this is obviously in three variables. You can understand that right now. Okay. Now, to understand the meaning of linear, what is it? We need to check whether the power of the present variable, whatever is there, is 1 or not. Only the power 1 will be allowed to be a linear equation. Power must be 1. Power of the present variable must be 1, highest one. Okay. So obviously we know that x to the power 0 is 1, x to the power 1 is x, and afterwards we write it like this and so on, correct? So now if you see here in the first example, first one, okay, the power of x is 1. In the second term, okay, we are going to check it term wise. So in the first term only x is there and you can see that the power is 1. In the second term the power of y is also 1, correct? because y is the only variable in the second term present. So, here the power is also 1. So, that means it is linear. Clear? Did you understand that? The power of the present variables in the terms, okay, must be 1, highest power. But in the second equation, in this second equation, you can see the power of the variable, only one variable is there. The power of the first term is 2, power of the second term is 1, and constants are there. So, that means highest power is 2 here, correct? Highest power of the variable is 2. So, that means it is not linear. Okay, it is not linear. For the third one, you can see all the powers are 1 in all the terms, and in the right side it is constant. So, it is linear. So, I hope that the meaning of linear is clear to you right now. So, tell me for this one, is it a linear equation or not? Obviously, you can see that the power of the only variable x is 1, highest one, okay. In the second one, that is a constant term, and then in the right side also constant term is present. So, that means it is a linear equation. But for the second one, for the second example, this one, you can see the power is, highest power is 2 in the first term. So, that means it is not linear, okay. So, in this way we will differentiate all the things. So, linear equation in one variable means obviously one variable will be there, unknown thing 1 will be there, and linearity will be maintained. That means the highest power of the present variable in the terms must be 1. So, let us check out some examples. Let us see the first example. Okay. So, I am taking x plus 3 equal to 7. Obviously, you can see the power of nothing, x is nothing means 1. So, that is obviously linear equation, and obviously one variable present in one variable. Okay. Second example, let us say xy plus 1 equal to 3. Here in the first term, two variables are present. So, it is not a linear equation in one variable because two variables are there. Third one, let us say x plus y plus z equal to 4. It is linear. Why? Because the powers of the variables are 1, but not in one variable, correct? Because there are 3 variables. Number 4, let us say x plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here you can see only one variable is there in both the terms. So, that means yes, it is in one variable. The power of the variables present in the terms is highest one, obviously, that is 1, nothing else. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. Okay. Let us say the next example, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here clearly you can see it is in one variable, fine, but the highest power present in the first variable is, in the first term the highest power is 2. So, that means it is not linear, okay. So, we cannot say that it is a linear equation in one variable, not linear, okay. The last one now, y plus 1 equal to y plus y square. So, here you can see only one variable is there, okay, only one variable. Is it linear? No. Why? Because here the power is 1 in this term, here constant the second one, In the right side, the first term is of 1 power, but the second term is having power 2. So that means it is not linear. Hope you understood the concept of linear equation in one variable. The definition clearly you understood. For you, one question is there. Try to answer this in the comment box. Thank you.